So let me just quickly take you through our website and show you how we intend to transform our belief into a reality. So here's our website, IAS Helpdesk.in. We genuinely believe through our years of experience that with focused insight and guidance, along with a curated content, one can clear the exam with just enough effort. Now, to begin with the UPSC preparation, the most important aspect is the detailed analysis of first, the syllabus, and second, previous year's papers. Every topper or every tutor will mention this to you. This is the basic framework, and before studying anything, you must study the syllabus. So you can access both of these over here from the UPSC Free Resources tab. You can see we have highlighted the syllabus as well as the previous year papers over here. So I'll just give you a brief outlook. This is the syllabus part. And here you can access the previous year papers. Best way to get insight into what to study and what to skip is by going through the UPSC previous year papers. We have the complete compilation from 2011 to 2019 over here, and this is more than sufficient as the pattern changed from 2011 onwards. So after acquainting yourself with the syllabus and previous year papers, you need to make a strategy on how you are going to prepare. Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses. And as you try and fail in the beginning, you will realize slowly what works for you and what not. Accordingly, you can set your study schedule with proper frequent breaks to relax your mind and remain focused throughout the duration of study. It has been scientifically proven that a 15-minute break is must after every 45 minutes. We will soon share a detailed video on how to learn effectively separately. However, for the time being, we are just sharing the necessary things you have to do as part of your strategy for clearing the exams. So here is our tab, which you can see over here, how to prepare. Now you have to develop a regular habit of reading the newspaper, which although is quite boring and difficult, but have to be cultivated in a manner that it helps you develop an overall understanding of all the key events going on around you. Now we will tell you how. So here I click on this tab and you can see we have listed how to read the newspaper for IAS. Now if you see the examination trend, you will understand the questions are from the governance aspects, and so you need not waste your time reading political news. Editorials will help you to form an opinion on all the national and international issues. However, you also need to do a note taking so that you can revise this aspect properly. So, note taking is also an art. People tend to make a book out of a book or make it so concise that they themselves can't understand that notes after a few months. So, we will also share strategy on notes making separately. And then, apart from this, you can also refer to other sources of current affairs, which are basically PIB, PRS, or Rajya Sabha TV. Along with this, we will also tell you the pattern of questions that are asked so that you can understand the perspective of an examiner and prepare yourself accordingly. So once you are through this, we will start the prelims preparation. Over here you can see the different subjects have been highlighted. So we will just open one example for you so that you understand how the website has been laid out. So I'm opening Indian polity. Now here you can see the basic approach is of first giving an overview of Indian polity to you. This is how the syllabus looks like, and these are the broad topics. Now you can see the question distribution year wise. Then we will tell you how to prepare. So we have listed all the books that you have to read because these are the basic NCERT books, and then you have to go through the standard books. So you have a complete understanding of the aspects which are critical from examination point of view. Apart from that, you can see the previous year questions over here, so which are very critical for preparation. And then you can also access all the NCERT books from here itself. Also, when you click any of the NCERT books, you can find the questions that have been asked in the exam in the description link itself. You don't have to go anywhere and waste your time in searching for these books. Also, we have provided links for all the standard books. We have also listed the videos over here. And let me tell you that these videos are not just any videos. These are the standard videos from the government agencies like UGC, NCERT and all. So we feel that this will give you a complete idea of how to prepare, and you will gain full confidence on how to answer the questions from this aspect in prelims. Now I'll just quickly take you through the mains aspect. So you can access the mains subjects from this tab. I'll just show you a brief outlook of one of the papers. So I'll just click on mains paper 3. Here, suppose I take internal security. So you can see over here that we have provided the trend analysis of internal security. So first you will have an overview, then you can access previous year questions from here, then the standard books, then the editorial links and the videos. So here you can see that we have listed the syllabus over here, and under the syllabus what are the subtopics that you have to cover has also been covered over here. You can just have a quick look over this. Now we have presented to you the trend analysis on the number of questions that are being asked, and then we will also tell you how to prepare. So for these aspects of the mains exam, you need to refer reports by Ministry of Home Affairs, police reforms by second ARC, cyber security laws, and so. Also, you can refer to resources such as editorials, videos of governments, which we have already covered, and all this aspect can be covered right from this page itself. As you can see that we have provided links over here. So these are the previous year questions, these are the standard books, these are the editorial links on different critical topics, and then we have put the videos related to the subject over here. So once you are through with all this, then comes the most important part, which is the current affairs. Now current affairs, as you all know, is very vast in nature. So we will pick up the key relevant topics and give you the complete details right from the origin, application, implementation, benefits and loss. For example, I'll open this topic of geotagging. Geotagging, as you might be aware, is a very simple topic wherein you tag an image so that you can see its location. But this is not just all. When you have to study and prepare for civil services, you have to go in complete detail and you have to understand the application of geotagging for good governance. This is how you should prepare every topic which is critical from the examination point of view. So you need to understand how geotagging is helping in good governance, what are the government schemes wherein this geotagging has been used, what are the implementation benefits of this geotagging, and how this geotagging is also a concern. We will also be providing micro video lectures for current affairs from time to time for better understanding. Last but not the least, if you have any queries related to any aspect of your preparation, you can just ask us and we are there to help you. In fact, our team will respond typically the same day or within 24 hours. In fact, the very purpose of this help desk is to mentor you for success.